Alright, boys and girls, and welcome back to Gordon Guitar. First, Blakk, that's what I'm gonna give you today, and the song is called I Choose You. So this is one of those great, but anyway, classic love songs. So if you like that genre, that is a song for you. 5 chords, that's what we need, and we don't need any capo. So let's go over the 5 chords. So starting with C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have an F here, which we're gonna throw in. That's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and the rest you need to add is 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. All right, so we have one string pattern that will go through the entire song pretty much. So we're gonna learn that now to begin with. So we'll start with the C since that is the 1st chord. So grab that one, and one string around will be 8 downs in total, but with a certain rhythm. It goes like this. Alright, so that was 8 downs, but you're gonna highlight the 1st down, the 4th down, and the 7th down, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's how you can count in your head, and that will be the 1st, 4th, and 7th, okay? So and how do we highlight that one? We do on the 1st, 4th, and 7th, the strumming here on the higher notes. Strings down here on the G, B, and E like that, and all the others more on the mid bass strings. So on top here on the 1st one, and then on the bass 2nd and 3rd, and on the top on the 4th, then bass on the 6th and 7th, sorry, 5 and 6, and then 7th on the top, and then 8th on the bass. So it will be top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, and that is one round. So a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. Alright, so we are now ready for the different parts here in this song, and it's very much the same almost the entire song, and I can already now mention that the verse and the chorus play is played in the same way. So the 1st and 2nd verse is 1 string around per chord, and the chord progression will be C, G, A minor, and F. So G, A minor, and F. Again. You're gonna play 2 chord progression rounds per part there, so both 1st and 2nd verse there, 2 rounds of that chord progression, C, G, A minor, and F. Then comes the pre-chorus in between the verse and chorus play, of course. And here you're gonna continue the same strumming. Now you're gonna alternate G to 1 round, to D minor to 1 round, then G to 1 round, and then finally D minor, just 1 down plus a pause. And that's it for the pre-chorus. We only have 1 in this song, so it comes right in between the 1st and verse and 1st chorus. So G, D minor, like this. D minor plus a pause. And that brings us to the chorus. And remember, I said it's played in the same way as the verse, so nothing changes there. The only difference here will be that the first chorus here is played for 2 rounds and the second one is played for 3 rounds. And then after this we have an outro part. You're just gonna continue the same way of playing there, the verse, chorus, play, whatever you want to call it, it's the same. And you continue with that for 4 rounds, and that wraps it up for First Blakk's I Choose You. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful for you, please leave me a comment and yeah, click the like button there. Until next time, guys, play tuned.